Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the common mistakes struggling affiliate marketers make and how to avoid them. Affiliate marketing can be incredibly lucrative, but only if you know what you're doing. The landscape is filled with pitfalls, and it's easy to fall into traps that can jeopardize your success. If you're new to affiliate marketing or looking to improve your strategy, this video is for you. Let's get started. Affiliate marketing can be a goldmine, but it can also be a minefield. One of the biggest mistakes struggling marketers make is diving in headfirst without adequate preparation. It's crucial to research the company, product, or service you're promoting. Don't just jump at the first opportunity that promises high commissions. Take the time to understand what you're getting into. Many people think affiliate marketing is an easy way to make money. But that's a misconception. Without a clear blueprint for success, you're setting yourself up for failure. Start by identifying your target audience and understanding their needs. This will guide your decision-making process and help you choose the right products to promote. Another common pitfall is neglecting to vet the affiliate programs you join. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. Always read the fine print and understand the terms and conditions before committing. Promoting low-quality products can damage your reputation and erode trust with your audience. Flexibility is key to long-term success. Falling into the affiliate marketing trap can have severe consequences. First and foremost, you risk losing your reputation. In affiliate marketing, trust is everything. If you promote subpar products or fail to deliver on promises, your audience will quickly lose faith in you. Rebuilding that trust is incredibly challenging and time-consuming. Another significant consequence is financial instability. Many struggling affiliate marketers find themselves in a cycle of debt and bad decisions. This financial strain can be devastating, especially if you're relying on affiliate marketing as your primary income source. Your business can also suffer irreparably. Moreover, falling into these traps can lead to emotional and mental stress. It's important to recognize these signs and address them proactively to maintain a healthy work-life balance. When faced with challenges, many struggling affiliate marketers resort to typical solutions that often don't work. A common mistake is increasing commissions in the hope of attracting more attention. While higher commissions can be enticing, they don't necessarily lead to better results if the underlying strategy is flawed. Another misguided approach is buying more products to promote. Without understanding your customer base or creating an effective marketing campaign, simply having more products won't improve your success rate. Increasing traffic is another tactic that marketers often rely on. However, driving more traffic to your site won't be effective if you haven't optimized your content or understood your target audience's needs. Some marketers also try to use aggressive sales tactics, thinking it will boost their conversions. This approach can backfire, leading to alienated customers and a damaged reputation. Instead, focus on building genuine relationships with your audience and providing value through your content. The best way to avoid the common pitfalls in affiliate marketing is to focus on creating high-quality content that adds real value to your target audience. Start by understanding the problems and needs of your audience. This will guide you in creating content that resonates with them and provides solutions to their challenges. High-quality content isn't just about well-written articles or engaging videos. It's about providing helpful advice, actionable tips, and relevant information that your audience can use. Promote your content through various channels to reach a wider audience. Consistency is also key. Regularly updating your content and maintaining a consistent posting schedule helps build trust with your audience. Engage with your audience through comments, social media interactions, and email responses. If you've already fallen into the affiliate marketing trap, don't worry, there are steps you can take to turn things around. Start by identifying a profitable niche. Focus on a specific area where you can provide real value and where there's a demand for the products you're promoting. Utilize affiliate networks to find reputable companies and products. Email marketing is another powerful tool to fix your mistakes. Building an email list allows you to communicate directly with your audience, share valuable content, and promote your affiliate products. Tracking your performance is crucial. Use analytics tools to monitor your campaigns and identify what's working and what isn't. Don't be afraid to pivot your strategy if needed. Preventing future mistakes in affiliate marketing requires a proactive approach. Start by thoroughly researching the company and product you're considering promoting. Look for reviews, testimonials, and any red flags that might indicate potential issues. Understanding the reputation of the company and the quality of the product is essential. Read the terms and conditions of the affiliate program carefully. Make sure you understand the commission structure, payment terms, and any restrictions that may apply. Set realistic income expectations. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it takes time to build a successful business. Stay informed about industry trends and changes. Follow industry leaders, join relevant forums, and participate in discussions to stay in the loop. Using the right tools can significantly enhance your affiliate marketing efforts. Advanced tracking software is essential for monitoring your campaigns and understanding what's driving results. Tools like Google Analytics, ClickMeter, and Volume can provide valuable insights and help you make data-driven decisions. Automation tools can save you time and streamline your processes. Tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, and Zapier can automate tasks such as social media posting, email marketing, and data entry. Networking tools can help you connect with other marketers and potential partners. Platforms like LinkedIn, Reddit, and niche-specific forums are great places to network, share knowledge, and find collaboration opportunities. Investing in these tools can make your affiliate marketing efforts more efficient and effective. If there's one piece of advice I can give to aspiring affiliate marketers, it's this: always do your research. Research the companies you're considering partnering with, understand their reputation, and ensure they align with your values and goals. Working with reputable partners is crucial to maintaining your credibility and building trust with your audience. Stay informed and proactive in your research to avoid shady companies and subpar products. The internet is filled with opportunities, but also with potential pitfalls. Take the time to read reviews, ask for recommendations, and seek out reliable sources of information. Success doesn't come overnight, but with consistent effort and a commitment to learning and improvement, you can achieve great results. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on successful affiliate marketing. Your support helps us create more valuable content and reach more aspiring marketers like yourself. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. We're here to help you on your affiliate marketing journey, and your feedback is invaluable in shaping our content. Until next time, happy marketing.